Hi, in the last video, you joined me making this snowflake. And today I'm going to teach you how to take one design and make it into a pattern. Okay? So I will show you more or less how to make this. It is a seamless pattern. That means that when this is repeated next to the other one, it will create a really nice seamless pattern. I will upload at the end this to my Redbubble profile so you can see how this looks on like pouches or phone cases and so on. Also dresses, I think. Okay, so let's start. We have our design. What I normally do is to keep the background in the same color. So I'm going to add a new layer, put it below, take the color I used before, or I decided before, and throw it in there. Okay? And with that as my original background, I will start copying my design. Okay? So I will duplicate this group, turn off this group so I don't lose it, and this group I will put it together. Now this, I will also duplicate this one and start to move around and change the size of them and the rotation if I want to. For example, we can rotate here. Let's duplicate again. I always duplicate the biggest one I have around so it doesn't pixelate too much. And then we go here. Another one. Let's make small ones around. You can decide anything on your pattern. How will your pattern be? So I will actually have this here. So when it repeats us, I have different sizes of it. And let's duplicate this one because it's the biggest one. Ah, it's not the biggest one, but it's okay because I'm gonna go smaller here. Very small. Even smaller if we want to. Okay. This is more or less here. And just keep going until you like. Try not to touch anything. As you can see, I'm not touching anything on the borders. Okay, and I want to explain how we're gonna do those borders. Okay, one more. One small here. Maybe not that small, like around here. Okay. And one more around here. Not that close together. Okay, and one other small one around here. You can create different shapes too. You don't have to repeat the same shape all over your design. This is only to learn how to make patterns. Let's say you want it like this. So now we're gonna grab all of them and group them together with the background color. Well, there you are. Now we're gonna duplicate this, and here comes the fun. Click here to move it, and we're gonna turn on snapping and magnetics with maximum distance. Well, velocity could be in the middle, it's fine. And then slowly you're gonna move to the left one of the designs and the other one to the right. When you do it with the snapping, you will see the lines and it will snap exactly at the middle. Now we group this together, and in a new layer we can add more of this. So I'm gonna duplicate my old group, put it together, bring it up, layer up, select and resize. I'm gonna resize to the size I want it. I'm gonna take off the snapping because this one, I don't need the snapping right now. It's the opposite, I want it to be free. And I'm gonna duplicate one more, and so on. I will speed up this process so you don't get that bored. Okay, great. Now we fill out this middle one. Now, to add more details, I will take this and I have the assisted drawing on. Okay, on the top layer I will add some points to make it even cuter. And now we group everything together again and duplicate again. Now we're gonna fill out the top and the bottom. So we move, snapping, magnetics on, one down and one up. And again, in a new layer, we can place more of these ones. Let's duplicate, bring up, and select layer and start placing more of these ones inside the drawing. Snapping off. Great, one more. And in another layer, then we add more dots to it. And that's it. We complete this, and that's how you create patterns. As you can see, if you add the same shape to the right, then you will have this one next to this one, and it will be a seamless pattern. I'm gonna export as a PNG to my computer, and now upload it to Redbubble. Okay, let's see how it looks in this pattern design on things. Okay, you can go to my about page in YouTube if you are on the iPad or on the phone. If you are on the computer, you can find the links to the right. So let's click on the third link, that is goodies, open in Safari, and here is my Redbubble shop. Here I will go to newest, and you will see the pattern. And I don't like it too much as a sticker, actually it's very plain. It's also available on 65 products. And as you can see, is a very seamless pattern. Okay, in here maybe we could have changed some of this so it doesn't look like a line. There are some improvements you can do, and it's really good to see this way because you can change and redo again the design. And it is available in any other products as you can see here. These are very cute. And also, this is a reminder, if you want to support this channel, you can get anything from here, or click on the Gumroad account and support by getting anything from my Gumroad account. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.